Book of Heaven, Volume 2, August 2nd, 1899. Correspondence to Jesus. This morning my adorable Jesus made himself seen all afflicted and almost indignant with men, threatening to send the usual chastisements and to make people die suddenly under lightnings, hail, and fire. I prayed him very much to placate himself, and Jesus told me,
"The iniquities that rise from the earth up to heaven are so many, that if prayer and souls who are victims before me were missing for a quarter of an hour, I would make fire come out of the earth and inundate the people."
Then he added,
"See how many graces I was to pour upon the creatures. But since I find no correspondence, I am forced to retain them within myself. Even more, they make me change them into chastisement. Be careful, you, O my daughter, to correspond to me in the so many graces I am pouring into you, because correspondence is the open door to let me enter into the heart and form in it my dwelling. Correspondence is like that good welcome, that esteem which is used with people when they come to visit us, in such a way that, drawn by that respect, by those affable manners used with them, they are forced to come again, and reach the point of not being able to detach themselves. Everything is in corresponding to me, and according to how souls correspond to me and treat me on earth, so will I behave with them in heaven. Making them find the doors open, I will invite the whole celestial court to welcome them, and I will place them on the most sublime throne. But it will be all the opposite for those who do not correspond to me."
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.